Kapag connected ka at nakikipag-usap ka sa kliyente, kahit pasablay-sablay ka, kung marunong kang kumonekta, it's an opportunity for you to learn and grow. Kasi sasabihin nila sa'yo yung totoong problema sa produkto mo, yung totoong problema sa offer mo. Which means that this is a huge variable in terms of improving your offer. And again, pag maganda offer, maraming benta. So maraming pera. And understand this, kahit gaano kaganda produkto mo, walang produktong perpekto. If you will continue to get feedbacks from your own customers, mai-improve at mapapaganda mo lagi yung offer mo. Yan ang magiging unfair advantage mo sa mga competitors mo. At kapag sobrang ganda ng feedback, you can use that in your branding and marketing. You now have success stories. And you can gather all this data, magagamit mo yan sa marketing mo, sa onboarding process mo. At sobrang daming gamit yan. Una, is ikaw mismo nare-reaffirm na maganda yung produkto mo. Ikaw mismo mas nabibuild yung belief mo sa binibenta mo. That's one. Number two, it's proven that when you share success stories within your team, ang gandang culture nun. Kasi lalong nabibuild yung belief ng buong team mo. And more importantly, kapag pinakita mo sa sales team, yung mga panalo ng clients, mas nabibuild yung belief nila sa produktong binibenta nila, which will increase the conversion rate. Now you have proof that you can fulfill your promise, which will build more trust and credibility.